Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best heated ice scraper that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Zento Deals Heated Car Window Snow Ice Scraper. The Zento Deals Heated Snow and Ice Scraper integrate a rather innovative design for more reach and accessibility when removing ice. This tool is definitely reliable in the winter as it is made from durable and frost-proof material. It has a telescoping handle and a 15.8-foot cord that grants users mobility and access to all the car windows on their car. This model is best for removing blind spots on a windshield and surrounding windows since it won't leave scratches on the glass. Then, when it's time to go, the scraper collapses down for easy storage in a glove box, under a seat, or in the trunk, taking minimal space but always being at the ready when you need it. As a plus, the scraper has built-in LED flashlights for clearer visibility when scraping frost away from your windshield before the sun rises on those early, chilly winter mornings. Moving on at number 4, we have the Sharper Image Heated Ice Scraper. With a long, 11.5-foot cord, the Sharper Image Ice Scraper features ice-crushing teeth to effectively remove ice from a hood, windows, and windshields. This useful feature, along with the heating element that heats up to 392 degrees Fahrenheit to melt ice, has effectively allowed many drivers to scrape off frost from their vehicle in minimal time, making it a go-to item in frosty weather. It conveniently charges from the cigarette port lighter, has a built-in squeegee to clean the snow and frost off as it goes, has an LED work light so you can see while you clean, and features a large head for sweeping over a good amount of surface in one go. One happy shopper who found this product extremely handy commented, "I use this every day in the morning before going off to work. It makes the job of scraping ice off my windows so much faster and easier." At number 3, we have the Frienda Heated Snow Ice Scraper. The Frienda Heated Snow and Ice Scraper is extremely convenient and efficient for its intended purpose of quickly and easily melting away snow and ice from your car. To do so, all users have to do is plug the 15-foot cord into the car's cigarette lighter, let it heat up for 2 or 3 minutes, and get to scraping. During the wintertime, a good pair of gloves is needed when outdoors, but, as is the case in general when using scrapers, it is rather difficult to get a good grip on the handle of one of these things with bulky gloves on. With this ice scraper, however, that isn't an issue, thanks to this item's anti-slip rubber grip with ergonomic grooves that provide users with a great handle. This product also comes with 2 waterproof side mirror covers. These slips protect the glass on a car, but most importantly they prevent frost from building up so you don't need to spend extra time cleaning those off. At number 2, we have the Zone Tech Ice Scraper. What makes the Zone Tech Ice Scraper stand out from other similar items is its portability. Due to its extremely lightweight, since it only weighs 0.3 pounds, this tool is extremely comfortable and easy to carry around or pack in a backpack in case of an emergency. This product, similar to others, can also be collapsed to 12.5 inches and the cord can be conveniently wrapped up in the handle, for easy storage in the car. "I like how you can hide the plug in the handle for storage," one customer confirmed. Thanks to the integrated heating element, this tool can melt away ice from a window or windshield much faster than traditional methods, making it a preferred option that isn't all that expensive either. One user found that the ice just melts with no effort at all. Another satisfied customer wrote, "My front windshield was cleared off faster than when I had a hand scraper." And finally at number 1, we have the Perfect Life Ideas Heated Ice Scraper. The Perfect Life Ideas Ice Scraper is the perfect winter car accessory that allows users to remove snow and stubborn ice much faster than any traditional ice scraper, and it comes at a very economical price too. The ice scraper also doubles as a tool to remove excess water with its built-in squeegee. This flexible blade really comes in handy when dealing with any wet snow or rain that has built up on the windshield. In fact, This tool can even handle deep snow thanks to its strong heating element. Considering the amount of heat that radiates from this tool, a customer recommended buying a pad where it can cool. One user wrote of this handy tool, "I plugged it in and did not wait long for it to heat." They continued, "I would say this was a great purchase. The price is right." Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.